So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to start building credit on the KOHO Financial application. So once the app is opened up, I want you guys to get to the home screen here in the bottom left. So if you're on like accounts or payments, go to the bottom left, press home. Then at the top where it says spend, credit, borrow, etc., go ahead and select credit. Now, if you want to start building credit, it's pretty self-explanatory. Right at the top here, it says take control of your credit story. Start building credit. So go ahead and select that option. It'll then bring you to this screen right here where you're able to go ahead and read more information about it. You can also sort of see how it works right here. So you can scroll down, read what you got to do. Then at the bottom where it says get credit building, you can also look at the plans right here. So there's monthly, there's 6 months, etc. Go to the bottom and press on get credit building. Then on this page right here, it's going to show you two different options that we just went over. So you can select the monthly plan, which is $10 per month, or the 6-month plan, which is $60 every 6 months. So you can go ahead and select either option. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and proceed with the $10 per month option. At the bottom, press continue. So how this works is the monthly plan, and you have to go ahead and actually pay $10, and you can see the credit utilization as well. So what this does is it actually helps build your credit over time by paying $10 off, and in this case, if your utilization is 10%, you can kind of see what that goes to. You can also go ahead and extend it if you want, but if you want the best results, we suggest 10% or lower. So you can kind of play around with it this way to see how much credit utilization you're going to have access to. So we're just going to go ahead here and continue with 10%. You can go lower, you can go higher, whatever the case may be. Once you have a number that you're comfortable with, go ahead and press confirm. Then on this page right here, you can sort of check out. You can also see your payment method right here. So if you were to go ahead and press this, you can select your payment method. So this can be in the form of Apple Pay or with a credit or debit card. Go ahead and do that. Press it up at the bottom. Once that is done, you can scroll down and press subscribe right here to start building credit here through KOHO Financial. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to start building credit on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.